Okay, so I am up on the roof. Gonna walk around and show you a few things. Not a big roof, but definitely some things to talk about. So to start with, this is a architectural type shingle. Okay, this is a 30-year shingle. It does appear to be probably 20 years old, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, it's we got some issues. First thing, I'm actually afraid to walk around because the sheathing underneath, the plywood underneath, is like, it's very thin, and I'm not sure what's going on. Could be poor ventilation in the attic, or there could have been a leak before the roof was replaced, or something like that. But whatever is going on, the sheathing is weak in between the joists, or the trusses, I should say. And you can actually see out front here where there's these dips, right? This is like right here, I think, is where the neighbor's roof starts, but this is on this house. You can see the dips, and if you can't see them, I definitely can feel them. Like, it's hard to show on video, but it's very, very soft in between, and every now and then it crunches and you feel like you're gonna fall through. So I'm trying to make sure that I walk on top of a truss here. Yeah. Anyways, very shaky. I wanted to mention, if I can get down here. Oh, yep. Right there, that was just where I'm standing. It just like crunched, and I felt like I was gonna fall. Anyways, I want to talk about down here. So right here, there's a detail. It's called kick-out flashing missing, and basically it's a piece of metal that goes behind the siding and then kicks out any rainwater away from the siding and into the gutter, and prevents water running down here, prevents any rainwater from going down behind the siding. Even though this might be considered the neighbor's house, if that kick-out flashing isn't there, it can run down and it can cause damage to both sides because it's sort of right in the middle there. So there was that. The way they shingled around these plumbing vents, normally this is cut open here and here, so that rainwater can get out, and also you can see, because it wasn't cut out, this shingle never laid flat, and it never stuck completely. And you can see, well, this one isn't stuck either. They're supposed to be stuck like that. When they're not stuck like that, yeah, this one too. I mean, they're supposed to be stuck. This can be a sign of age, okay? But anyways, we'll stick with this issue here. What happens is it doesn't get stuck, and then debris can get in there. You can get underneath here or blow under from here, and then you end up with debris, and that can cause a leak if it's not already leaking. So this should be left open and cut, and then it should be glued down on both sides. So and what can happen is, see, the shingles, they dry out, right, and then they don't stick anymore, and then the wind will come along and blow them off. And you can see that's the neighbor's roof, but that's already happened over there, and it's probably been like that for some time. This roof, these two houses were done at the same time, and that's what happened over there. That's why the shingles are missing, and you actually see the sheathing. Looks like it rotted. You can actually see down into the attic. So that's what's gonna happen here soon. So there was that. You have exposed nails here. Those should be caulked. This other plumbing vent was like the same thing. Okay. See that they're not fastened. Okay, so now over here on this side, jeez, the sheathing is so soft. Oh, it's very scary, very scary. Okay. Over here you have problems with the step flashing. You can see how the shingles are pushed up like that, and if you look underneath, you can see that the nails are sticking up right here. Okay, and the flashing itself and the nails are pushing up. This is definitely an area where rain can get in. And this whole area all the way down is susceptible to leaks here. Oh jeez, you probably heard that. That is the sheathing crunching. Anyways, I want to get down. Oh jeez, I gotta get down from here. This is same thing going on up here at the ridge. So okay, I gotta get down from here.